That's all you do.
He said, oh, you thought I was a stripper.
I mean, you could have fooled me. Oh,
I'm not looking like something like that.
I know that's right. Yes, you are.
Hold on to that.
Yes.
I ain't got nothing done.
Come here, I can't hear you.
Oh, you can't hear me.
Uh-uh.
Well, you can put the sketch on me.
Can I put the what?
Can you put the inch on me?
An inch.
Uh-huh.
What that mean? You got a blowout.
You know what? I might have to blow out. I ain't got no call out.
What's the call out?
Think about
What you doing on the dance floor, man? Come here. Get it?
what?
I see you, man. Go ahead. Man, what you doing on the dance floor? This is one time.
They had me a counter.
Nah, go ahead.
Yeah, right.
You a star.
I'm a super star.
I know you will.
But I'm not just a stress with them.
Oh, not at all.
I'm a real woman.
That's why I like you.
If I had this bag in my hand and the fucking put on my shoulder, I saw how I do on dance floor.
I'm gonna get it.
Oh, yeah, you
I love you, man.
yeah, listen to me.
Ow. Oh, you what?
But you tried to get me shit for the rest of the
I get it. What it is.